Hi everybody, and welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a little tabletop all stainless steel bakery mixer. Has a rotating ball and spiral agitator, as you can see. The ball's rotating at about 15-16 RPM, we're clocking it, and almost 60 on the agitator there, the spiral agitator. All stainless steel construction, as you can see. The agitator is fixed. On-off switch on the side. We're running on 220 three-phase voltage. It has an integrated safety into the cage, which sits all the way back. A nice look inside. Also, we're not sure, but this baffle is removable. Comes in and slides into the pins. You'll find this on our website at www.champtrading.com, and it's, of course, in the mixers section. Thanks for joining us for this video today. We hope to hear from you soon.